Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a cloud compliance strategy with Qualys detailed guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a cloud compliance strategy using Qualys. First, understand the importance of a cloud compliance strategy. Identify the regulations and standards relevant to your organization. Common regulations might include GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. Next, sign in to your Qualys account or set one up if you don't have it yet. Once logged in, navigate to the Compliance module. Begin by creating a new compliance policy tailored to your specific needs. Select the applicable standards from the list provided. This can include industry standards or custom guidelines. Next, configure the policy settings based on your organization's requirements. Set thresholds for compliance assessments. Determine how often to run compliance checks. After setting up your compliance policy, it's time to define assets. This involves identifying all cloud resources and services used by your organization. Start by using Qualys Asset Inventory feature to discover assets. You can categorize assets based on their criticality. Then, assign tags to streamline the assessment process. Now, create compliance scans to evaluate your cloud environment. Start a new scan using the compliance policy you created earlier. Select the assets to be included in the scan. Ensure to schedule these scans regularly for ongoing compliance checks. As the scans run, monitor their progress in the dashboard. Once the scan completes, review the compliance report generated by Qualys. This report will highlight any vulnerabilities or compliance issues. Analyze the findings to prioritize remediation efforts. Identify any trends or recurring issues that need addressing. Following remediation, perform regular audits on your compliance strategy. Make adjustments to your policy based on changes in regulations or your business environment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.